Selamat siang semua.
Hari ini kami air terjun.
Ayo,
Waimarang.
ayo. Okay, so we'll be heading to the waterfall, and the waterfall is like 30 minutes from our parking spot. Let's get it. My bro,
Can I take a photo?
kamu lapar?
Yeah. Lapar.
If you're hungry, I'll give you food.
Remember my word?
Yes,
If
bro.
you're hungry, I will give you food.
Hunger is the enemy, and food is our friend.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're rata.
Angkat.
And we are having such a professional photo shot. Oh, good. Okay, next. Oh, okay, Shelby. Our next contestant is Shelby from Manado.
Shelby.
Oh man, such a professional photographer, man. Oh man. And me and my wonderful brother Lenny. He's such a cool dude that ever you come to Sumba, Indonesia,
Yes.
meet him, man. Meet him. Yeah.
Respect.
Respect, bro. And
I will hear.
he's from Papua.
Yeah.
No, sorry.
Papua?
He's from Papua, and he's such a good man, man. I love him, man. This guy, really loving him. Okay, so let's
Thank
go.
you.
Let's go and check how the waterfall looks like. So literally, I'm lost in this island, man, and I really wanted to go and find my friend, but they're lost. But I know their names. Hey, I found them.
Yeah. What's his again?
My beloved brothers and sisters are applying for sunscreen, and we have a code name for each and everybody. What's your code? What's your code, Rachel? What's yours?
Oh wait.
I don't have it. So
No. And mine? How do you feel, Filipino? How intense is this waterfall? How beautiful is this waterfall? Can you just describe it just me with a little sweet words in Filipino?
Hindi ko alam kung gaano kaganda ang waterfall na ito, pero naglalakbay kami ng sobrang layo para lang makita ito. Kaya feeling ko sobrang ganda.
তাই কৈছে যে যি নহওক কিয় বাল আজি এনজয় কৰিম মা কসম. So can you describe me how do you feel to be in this waterfall in Bahasa, in your own language? How do you feel to be in here?
Kita mau ke air terjun, seneng banget. Dan air terjun di Sumba, the first time for me.
Kela যি হওক নহওক বাল আজিতো মই এনজয় কৰিম.
Masiloy go, silu,
এজনীও নাপালো
napalu,
ঘৰলৈ ahi মই
ahimoy,
নিমখ ভাত খাই দিলুং
niburay kay bilu,
ইণ্ডোনেছিয়া গৈছিলো
Indonesia goy, silu,
ছোৱালী চাইছিলো
suwalisay, silu,
তাৰে মাজত এজনী
ezuni,
বহুত ভাল পাইছিলং.
buhot batay, silom,
অ মা কসম মজা.
moja.
আৰু অতি সোনকালে আমি waterfallত গৈ পাম. Very soon we'll be seeing the waterfall. Man, I love this place. Wow. Shit.
Kalian mati sudah nih.
I just need to get a photo of myself.
Hey, let's go, Lenny. Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Oh, my team are struggling. Thanks Lenny for bringing us here. Thanks Kaylee and all my team for coming. Thanks Sandy for what wonderful time. It's lunchtime. Manado Selby, what you're having? What is that? Nasi kuming?
No.
Apa?
Nasi putih,
Oh.
ayam, mie.
So this is the birthday girl who gonna jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are! We are! Woo! Wow! What's your last race before you die?
Satu, dua, tiga.
Ah! Woo! Woohoo! That's so much more fun, bro. Oh, Lenny! My bro! Do it, do it! So done. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Another shoot. The slippery, you know, it's quite muddy, and my slipper is quite slippery. Okay, so anyways, done swimming, and it is very wonderful to have a cliff jump. If you ever been Sumba, and I definitely recommend you to come to this waterfall, and it's such a good spot to be here. There's like a double. There's 2 waterfall in here. It's just like, you know, the one is just above the bigger one. You're gonna love it to swim, and it's free of cost. It doesn't need to pay, but make sure that you keep the environment clean and green whenever you come. Don't throw much trash. And yeah, it's such a wonderful day. It's May 6, 2019, and me and some of my friends really enjoyed it. Definitely a place to visit. Thank you for watching my video, and see you the next time.
Thirsty! Sure! I'm having a great time! My shoes are so slippery! Happy birthday, yeah? They're too slippery.
Guys, are you okay? You're fine, you're good? Everybody's good? You're good? You're fine, guys? You're okay?
You made it!
Wala kencana kan? Wih itu.
You did it, Shelby. Thank you so much. Do you know what? It's just because of faith you can move mountains. Because you have faith to do it. Give me a high five. Thank you.